In front of me is DOOGEE V Max, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this DOOGEE device. First of all, open Settings and tap on Security. Then select Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Enter your current screen lock and tap on Face Unlock. Finally, select More at the bottom right corner. Read all of the informations and tap on I agree at the bottom. Then select Start at the bottom right corner once again and keep your face in frame. Now tap on Done. And finally, when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!